In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how we can quickly and easily generate the accessors and mutators, or the getters and setters, for our classes. So here we have our encryptor class. Go ahead and get that open with the code collapsed so that it's very easy to see. And once we're in that code, we can easily add the getters and setters for our two variables here. We have our int offset and our encrypt options. And let's make sure that these are private so that they aren't accessible outside of the class by anyone, so that they do have a need for the getters and setters. Go ahead and save that. And then let's select source, generate getters and setters. Now when we do this, of course, it'll give us the ability to generate the specific ones that we want. So here, let's determine that we want to go ahead and generate everything. But if we wanted, for some reason, we may not allow the offset to be set. We could make the offset read-only by making the get offset available, but not the set. But let's go ahead and select everything. And note that we can allow setters for final fields, which removes the final modifier if necessary. We can do an insertion point where we choose where we want it. So let's place this at the end of our code after encrypt decrypt stream. And here is a really neat feature that allows us to determine how to do this insert. We can either do them in getter-setter pairs, or we can do the getters and then the setters. So depending on your style, whichever suits your fancy. If you'd like to change the access modifier from public, you can to protected or package or private or final or synchronized, however you would need that to work for your code. Here, let's just go ahead and make them public. And you can again check or uncheck to generate method comments. Once I do this, of course, we will see the code become inserted. Here we see the offset get and the set, and here we see the encrypt options get and the set. So all four of my methods were generated and simply lined up with the variables that exist inside of my code. And thereby, it was very easy to go ahead and add my mutators and accessors, or my getters and setters, for my private fields inside of my encryptor class. And that wraps up our look at adding the getters and setters, or the accessors and mutators,